Hey, we are back with another Nitro news. This one is better than the last ones we had. Discord and GearUP have collaborated and are giving away free 1-month Discord Nitro. Without wasting any time, we will dive right into how to claim it. This is GearUP's website. The link will be in the video's description. Just open it and download it on your PC. I tried downloading it on MacBook really, but it didn't work. I guess it's only for Windows. I noticed that it doesn't take a lot of time to install. And there we go. The free 1-month Nitro will appear on the front homepage of the app's interface. But you can't claim it just yet. You need to create an account here first. Now the good thing is you can use Google or your Discord account to create an account. I will suggest you to use your Discord account because it was faster for me. And now you can claim your free 1-month Nitro just by clicking on the banner. Click link to claim reward. Now here you can claim you free Nitro, but you will require to add a payment method for this. Credit card or debit card or PayPal work perfectly fine. Make sure your bank account has at least $10. And secondly, if you get your free Nitro, Discord will debit $1 from your bank. This is called temporal payment. It is used to check if your account has any money. But don't worry, you'll get your $1 back in 1 to 5 business days. In most cases, immediately. Discord has an article on this. To be honest, I can claim this free Nitro if I want to, but I also don't want it. I will just give it to my staff member Faith. She's working really hard. Now it's time to cover all the important bits. Now this offer has started on April 23rd and will end on June 3rd of this year. Make sure to avail of this offer before it expires. It's not available in Syria, Ukraine, Russia, Iran, and North Korea. I'm sure even with VPN, it won't work. To be eligible for this free 1-month Nitro, you shouldn't have had Nitro for at least 12 months. This includes your regular 1-month and 1-year Nitro, Nitro Basic and Classic, and I think even Share Nitro. But I don't think the 3 days Nitro that you get from the Orbs exclusive shop is included here. And the last one is, this offer works only on PC, specifically the Windows, it doesn't work on phone. And now let's talk about GearUP. In simple words, this app basically boosts your game speed. It's like a game booster. You install this app, connect it to your game, and boom. It reduces the lags and pings and try to provide you with a smooth gameplay. It is available for over 3,000 games across PC, phone, and console, as the article suggests. I haven't tried it though, but if you're a gamer, don't just download this app for free Nitro. You can give it a whirl and see if it makes your games smoother and faster. So yeah, folks, that is it. I hope you liked the video and found it informative. Please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want aesthetic embeds for your Discord server, feel free to check out this video that I made yesterday. I showed anime embeds, aesthetic embeds, Genshin, and many more. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. So that is it. Let me know in the comments if you got free Nitro or not, and share your thoughts. Take care and bye.